Good morning guys, it's 8:43 in the morning. We're right at this trend line for NAS. So I'm going to take a 10 lot, another 10 lot here, and put a stop just above. Not a massive stop for this one. The reason why I've taken this is we've got a bearish cross on MACD, we've got above average volume, you've got histograms in shape, your RSI is very overbought and about to cross over the average, which is a good sign. Again, bearish CVD on the hourly. We just went outside the HVL and gone to the POC, which is the yellow line, and now it looks like we're on our way to the VWAP, which is also where the LVL is, and the 25,100 line. Target for this 25,100, because we're at the trend line and I can see it coming to here. It may even try and breach out of the LVL as well, so I'm not going to have a take profit set yet. I'll leave it at 25,000. Yeah, we'll come back to it. So that's NAS. It should be okay, I think. It's going to at least get to the VWAP and the 25,100 number. So that looks pretty safe. You can see like a peak, come down, leg up, and then coming back down again. So that should be okay. DAX is just bounced off 23,500, so I'm going to leave that for now. This is NAS here. Look at that, how much bullish volume you have. You can see that little pink line, that pink box there is an imbalance. It usually happens at the corner, at the edges. Like here you see, on DAX you had them an imbalance right on the edge of the daily chart. Again here on gold. Going here on gold, so it usually tells us you're at the edge. So yeah, I wish I'd got in a bit earlier to be honest, but it is what it is. Trapped selling volume on gold. I think gold's going to go to 4164. Take 2 lots from there, and I think that that's going to get up to, let's check it again. So we've got sellers here at the POC, which is 4164, which is where I think this is going to get to. 4164 is there. So it's like a 1-to-1. But if it starts to come down, I'm going to close it immediately because I don't want to be taking any losses on that one. I just want that to go straight up to there. From here to there. We've got bullish volume on both the hourly and the smaller time frame. Above average bullish volume, bullish MACD cross, everything is pointing to that going up. So that's the gold trade. So we've just trapped these sellers here at minus 2.23. We're going to push past them up to the next lot here and take them out profit at minus 131. That's what I reckon is going to happen. So that's those. So that's gold and NAS we've got trades in. Germany said we'll leave for now. NAS, we're in a sell to come down. Probably just to the VWAP. But we'll assess it when it gets down there. We've set the target to 24,000, sorry, 25,000. We're just right on this trend line, you can see itself. We're right on this trend line that's been in place since the end of October, and now it's the end of November. So I do think that's going to hold, especially for the London session. Let's see, and also you've got the VWAP pulling it down towards it there. You've got the round number there for 25,100, so I do think that's a possibility, and the LVL's just right there too. So it's trying to hold above that trend line now, can you see? Take another one. And another one. So that's the target for NAS. Yeah, sorry, DAX we're leaving for now. NAS, we're wanting it to come down to here. And that we're wanting to come up to here. Okay, it's just not even 9 AM in the morning yet, so we'll come back and check on this shortly. And it's on its way down to here. So I'm going to move this down a bit further just in case, but it should try and bounce off the VWAP really. Gold's moving up. So we've got a 1 lot trade in, just a small trade for the morning. That should hit, it shouldn't be an issue. Gold rises after US data reinforces rate cut bets. Okay, so that should hit the POC. NAS is on its way down to the VWAP, and then we'll make a decision after that. Okay, we're at the VWAP now. I'm going to move to the smaller time frame so I can see how it reacts to it. Just pushing past it. I think I'll close here. I can't see this. I'll close about here, I think. Let's see how it handles it. Is it going to jump back up or go down to 25,100? Looks like it's going to 25,100. There's different prices on these two charts. Yep, I'm going to close here. So that's 170, 150, 125, 127. Let's have a look at gold. Gold's starting to reject here. Yep, see? Dows went to the VWAP and starts to reject. We got out of the right place. So here we see it worked out quite well. And we're wanting gold, we said, to come up to these sellers here at -135. And that's what's probably going to happen now. Where are we? Here. So we took 2, did we? 2 lots, 1 for 3, 2. It's definitely going to get up there. There's 2 in there, 1 for 300, 1 for 3,298 or something. There you go, both hit. All right, I think that's me done for the London session. We had a few on NASDAQ and we had a few on gold, so I think that's fine for now. I'll be back for the US session later.